What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Azzy Graphics. In this video I'll be showing it to you through my PLP files. Okay, so this is the first one. So this is manipulation I did, 3D pop-up. So there's just many manipulation. So this is the first. You can just study the way I did it in case you don't want. Just this is the resources. Come to the layers. This has the resources. Now if you want to install it to your own Pixellab, there'll be a video will be showing you how you can extract it, how you can input the password, because it's always password protected. The password will be somewhere in this video. Please watch the video so you can also input it to your own Pixellab. So this is the first one. Now the second one is this 3D pop-up. Now you can see this maxing manipulation. So these are the resources I used. You can also do the same thing and apply it to your own Pixellab. Okay, let me show you the third one, which I will be doing. Is I should have another manipulation here. Okay, now in the absence of no manipulation, so I'll just send you this post I made for my Instagram page. I'll also be sending some of my Instagram page posts as PLP file, so you can just look at them and apply some of this. For example, now if you see a particular element here, maybe a model you want to apply for your own Pixellab, so you can just come here, come to layer, hide everything, okay, and you just leave the one you want to see, probably the picture of this model, this one. You can increase the size to your taste. Come to this other side, click on transparent. Okay, now just come to display, save, come to save image, make sure it is in PNG. Now I'll be leaving custom because I manually set the image size. All you just need to click on save to gallery, then it's going to save. I won't be clicking it because I don't need it. So when you want to locate what to save, you can just come here from gallery, or you come to and you see it somewhere. Just come to recent. It will appear somewhere around here. Now in case you can't find it in recent, just come to, that's the name of my phone anyway, come to your phone file manager, then locate Pixellab folder, then just use it to appear somewhere around here. So I'll just look for one of the PNG that I've saved. Alright, so this is a PNG I've saved. Look at this phone mockup. You can see it is in PNG. It's not having background. So once something is in PNG, it may not have background. So that's the essence of we saving now. Stop saving it in PNG. Even though you know it's not having background now, when you save it in JPEG, it's going to automatically create a background by itself, a black background, and you'll not like it. Alright, so if you want to install it, a video that will be showing you how you can install it will be in the description of this video. Please do not forget to check it out and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. And also please make sure you've seen the password. I won't like some people will just come to my DM and say I'm not able to get the password. Just carefully watch the password. The password will be displayed. Okay, see you in the next video.